We, the human beings, aren't biologically coped up to stay idle at a place. We must stretch up, exposed to the sun, admire the beauty of nature, and always be active. If you are staying home all the time, then chances are that you might be facing some of the serious problems which we are going to list now. This is top 10 facts, and here are the top 10 reasons why you should not stay home for a long time. Number 10. Less exposure to sunlight. If you stay under the roof for a longer period, then there is a less chance of exposure to sunlight. This leads to a serious vitamin D deficiency, weaker bones, hair loss, or some of signs of vitamin D deficiency. And before you think of vitamin D tablets, let us tell you that they aren't as efficient. Almost 80 to 90% of the vitamin D comes from the sun. So go out and get some sunlight. Number 9. Overeating. Being locked into your home for a long period, you would have time to try out some of your favorite recipes, or you would ask your mom to cook some of your favorite dishes. Some even have the habit of eating food just because they are bored. These habits result in unnecessary consumption of food, and in turn will lead to various stomach problems and will terribly affect your metabolism. Number 8. Gain weight. Just now we discussed in the previous section that you would eat a lot, but also you spend more time sitting idle and you have little to no work. In normal days, when you were working or attending classes, you were traveling and moving, which acted as an exercise. But now, you have no work, so gradually, chances are that your weight increases, and increasing weight has a lot of evil effects, which we will discuss in another video. Number 7. Anxiety and depression. Being inside home without any other outside activity will make you interact with lesser people. If you are living alone, then the situation is even worse. You talk to less people and spend more time in front of the walls. This results in anxiety, and if you are a really big extrovert, you would become depressed. Some even argue that we can have video calls and Zoom meetings, but virtual can't match real peace. Number 6. Insomnia. Having no work to do at home, our muscles don't get tired, which is the primary requirement for sleep. So you sleep late and wake up so late. In due course of time, you encounter difficulty in sleeping earlier. This highly affects your sleeping pattern and has some serious health issues. So do something and get tired. Number 5. Decreasing creativity. As you rarely go outside, you tend to get less exposed to various real life events, and hence you think less than usual. You see less nature and you are exposed to the same things again and again, which reduces your creativity. A research paper at Stanford shows that when we are more exposed to the beauty of nature, our creativity and thinking ability will increase. So clearly, in this period of time, our creativity will tremendously go down. Number 4. Fatigue. If you are inside your home for a long period, you would feel tired and also non-productive and lazy all day. Now you might wonder, why would you feel tired as you have little to no physical work to do? Well, we would like to tell you that fatigue can have both physical and mental causes. Whether you run a marathon or be idle for 2 days, you will feel tired and tend to be less active and productive. Number 3. More time in front of screens. Now that you're locked inside your home, you would tend to kill time by scrolling through social media, watching Netflix, playing video games, and whatnot. As you have lots of time, you use gadgets like smartphones, televisions, and computers a lot more than usual. Continuous exposure to these screens would damage your eyes and might lead to difficulty in eyesight. Sometimes you might feel dizzy because of this. Number 2. Weakening of muscles. A machine picks up a fault when it is left unoperated for a long period of time. So does your body. Decrease of activity affects the body the same way it affects the machineries at factories. Your muscles become weak and your joints start becoming rigid, and you won't be able to do work as you were doing before. Number 1. Becoming disease prone. You are eating more, you are depressed, you sleep late, you sit idle. What more is required to invite diseases like diabetes and heart problems? Various medical experiments show that those who stay home for long have less immunity and are more prone to heart diseases than those who go out and do some work. So it's better to stretch a bit in the lawn rather than being idle. If you have reached this far, then we would like to tell you that there are a lot of other effects also for staying at home in the long run. So be careful. This is it for today's video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and also stay active.